At the onset, I would like to wish everyone a very happy and healthy 2021. The year 2020 has been a tough year, a challenging year. But for equity investors, it still turned out to be a good year. After a strong rally that we have experienced, a lot of sectors have moved into fair valuation zones. In fact, some of them have moved into expensive territory. The markets are already discounting a large part of the recovery coming in the next 2 years. So when investors are looking for investments now, they have to look beyond the near term to see which businesses will do well over the next few years. It will require patience because market will take time to discount that growth. To forecast accurately into the future, one requires to look at the top-down themes, the macro trends, as well as some multi-year ideas. We've identified 4 such themes which will have a significant role to play in the economy in the next few years. The first theme is return of inflation. For the past decade, we have not seen any significant inflationary pressures. Though monetary policies have been easy, inflation has been muted. Now, with the fiscal stimulus also joining across the world, along with the easy monetary stance, we are seeing some improvement in inflation. The metal prices, the soft commodity prices have moved up and are likely to continue or sustain this trend. This will lead to inflation coming up, and that will benefit the material sector, the commodities sector, especially companies that are cost leaders in their business, as well as companies that are integrated players. The second theme is about rural growth. We've had good monsoon this year. The rural economy has been quite protected against the pandemic and is less affected by it. The government programs have helped incomes on the non-agri side, and the rise in commodity prices across the world will also benefit the agri sector in the country. If there is any push to infrastructure from here on, it will benefit the rural economy directly as well as indirectly. This will lead to improvement in rural investments as well as rural consumption. The third theme is about resurgence in manufacturing. We believe the government has taken significant steps to incentivize manufacturing in the country under Make in India as well as Atmanirbhar Bharat. If you combine all the steps taken by the government from September 2019 till today, there is a huge push to manufacturing in the country for export promotion as well as import substitution. And this too has come at the right time. A lot of companies across the world are looking to diversify their sourcing and looking at India favorably as an important partner in this sourcing. Last but not the least, the rise of housing. There is a significant improvement in the housing market in the country with low interest rates and the tax and duty benefits provided by the government. The real estate sector is improving, although it is also consolidating at the same time. The improvement in housing in the country leads to benefits to a large part of the economy. It helps the basic industries like cement and steel. It generates positive demand for consumer durables, electricals, building materials, and it also has a positive rub-off on the financial sector too. So the rising housing is likely to benefit the economy significantly. These 4 themes are likely to play a key role in the economy in the next few years. A lot of people also ask me about 2021, whether it will be a year of the correction in the market. On this question, I generally quote Robert Shiller, the Nobel Prize winner for economics. He once said that a correction in a bull market comes like a thief in the night. You cannot time it. While we cannot predict a correction, we can certainly use a correction. We can use a fall in prices, a crash or a correction to increase our investments in the themes that are favorable to us. I wish you all a very happy investing in 2021. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.